Here we've got OPPO A73, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select sound and vibration, and then go to ringtone. So here it is, just click on it, and now you can come along with all possible options. You've got it right here, and then select the one that you like the most. So let me start with the future. You can also pick some other tones, just come along with them as well. And then just pick the one that you like the most. For example, it can be hello. And go back. As you can see, the ringtone has been already changed, so this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.